Welcome to Microsoft Sales Copilot, your intelligent AI-powered assistant to help your sales team maximize productivity and strengthen customer relationships. Let's step into the shoes of David, who is a sales representative. He manages a large pipeline of customers, so he uses Microsoft Sales Copilot to increase his efficiency as a seller. Sales Copilot leverages next-generation AI to help David monitor his sales pipeline, prepare for meetings, write emails, and meeting summaries, as well as update customer records in the flow of work, whether he's in Microsoft Dynamics Sales CRM or in Microsoft Teams or Outlook. We can see here in the Sales CRM that David has a few opportunities that he's working with that have upcoming deadlines. He opens up the Alex Baker opportunity. David can get a head start on this opportunity by using Sales Copilot. We walk through the Sales Copilot welcome messages, and that's when David decides to go ahead and give Copilot a try. Microsoft Sales Copilot gives David a summary of the opportunity to catch up on past activities. The opportunity summary includes customer details, interest, past discussion points, deal stage, and past relationship activity. So instead of having to manually sift through notes, Sales Copilot uses the power of AI to provide it in seconds. David can also use Copilot to quickly get the latest information and news and any events about the company directly in the CRM. Now that David is caught up on the opportunity, he's ready to engage with the customer. David can leverage Sales Copilot to help him prepare team meetings. This is due to the seamless integration that exists within Dynamics Sales CRM, Teams, and Outlook. Sales Copilot provides meeting preparation notes, including a summary of their past meetings and action item. Now that David is finally caught up, he can then lead the meeting confidently. David now proceeds to go ahead and reply to Alex's email. He can use Copilot in Microsoft Outlook to help him draft an email response. As Copilot opens up, you'll notice that it has already summarized this email from Alex with information which David can use to reply. David chooses to reply to an inquiry option from the Copilot window. The suggested email response has the right information, but David really wants to keep this email a little bit more short. Sales Copilot can help him adjust the email to further personalize it to Alex's need. So you can go ahead and describe the change to make it a little bit shorter. The length of the email is now perfect. David wants to adjust the tone of this email to make it a little bit more friendlier. Once that's adjusted, David copies the text to the email so that he can go ahead and send it over to Alex. He does have the option to further personalize the message himself in the email composition box, but decides that the email looks good and go ahead and sends it out to Alex. David can also update customer records in Dynamics 365 Sales right from Outlook. David fills in Alex's contact information. Outlook connects seamlessly with Dynamics 365 Sales, matching the email contact to the corresponding contact in Dynamics 365 Sales. Related details from 365 Sales, once this is saved, will show up with opportunities and accounts in the Sales Copilot window for David to easily reference as he's emailing his contact. This is Copilot giving you intelligent suggestions so that you, the pilot, can decide what recommendations to implement before sending out email, as well as adding a customer to your CRM. David now wants to discuss the details of his customer meeting with his team. Sales Copilot connects with Microsoft Teams to make collaboration on deals easier than ever. David can use Sales Copilot to create a collaboration space in his Teams channel using the deal room template. Hovering over an opportunity will reveal the context menu to go ahead and set up a deal room in Microsoft Teams. David chooses to set up a collaboration space within an existing team And he chooses the trade research team to go ahead and add to the new channel. David will keep all the default settings and choose the standard channel and go ahead and set up the team. The collaboration space automatically syncs up all the data and files from Dynamics 365 Sales. Once you open it, it's going to go ahead and open a new tab or in a new desktop app. David then explores the pre-populated files in the Teams channel that he just created. This is going to bring in all the files from Dynamics 365 Sales for him to review. The data syncing means David spends less time switching between collaboration apps and his CRM to duplicate information and can ensure that he and his colleagues are always up to date on the latest details of the deal. With the help of Sales Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales and Microsoft 365, David has freed up from mundane tasks so that he can focus his attention on closing more deals.